Hey DIY enthusiasts, welcome to another episode of DIY Torque Lab. Today I'm going to share why every DIYer needs a torque wrench in their toolkit. Trust me, once you understand its value, you'll wonder how you ever got by without one. Okay, first things first, what is a torque wrench? Simply put, a torque wrench is a tool designed to apply a specific amount of torque or force to a fastener, like a bolt or a nut. Think of it as a more precise version of a ratchet. But why is this important? Well, over-tightening or under-tightening bolts can lead to all sorts of problems that may end up costing you more money when something breaks or comes loose. Too tight, and you risk stripping threads or damaging the parts, possibly rendering them useless. And we don't want that to happen. Too loose, and things might come apart when you least expect it. A torque wrench ensures you get it just right the first time. Alright, for all you auto enthusiasts out there, a torque wrench is crucial when working on your car. Whether you're changing a wheel, working on the engine, or doing suspension work, you'll need to apply the correct torque to avoid issues down the road. And if you're into woodworking or assembling furniture, a torque wrench can be a game changer. It helps make sure your projects are sturdy and won't fall apart over time. Plus, it gives you that professional touch. Using a torque wrench is pretty straightforward. You set the desired torque level, usually measured in foot-pounds, or inch-pounds for smaller torque wrenches. Once you are ready, apply it to the fastener, and tighten until you hear a click or see an indicator for the electronic ones. You may hear a beep once you hit the preset torque level. That click or beep tells you you've reached the correct torque, so you don't have to guess. Investing in a good torque wrench can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. So next time you're gearing up for a project, make sure you have one in your toolkit. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. Alright, that's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Happy wrenching!